Hello and welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Morphy Richards Icon Superb 750 watt mixer grinder that promise to simplify all your cooking needs. Let's discuss the top 5 features that make it an appealing option for Indian kitchens. Powerful motor. First and foremost, this mixer grinder boasts a powerful 750 watt Ultron Max motor. All that power will ensure that you have the necessary strength and speed to make your grinding and blending smooth and efficient. The high-powered motor is capable of achieving 20,000 RPM, which means that it should be able to effortlessly handle a variety of kitchen tasks with ease. Stainless steel jar. You get 3 stainless steel jars with durable stainless steel blades to simplify your cooking. The 1.5 liter liquidizing jar is perfect for creating smooth and consistent blends of liquids and fruits. The 1 liter dry/wet grinding jar can be used for a variety of tasks from grinding spices and grains to making pastes for curries. And last but not the least, the compact 0.4 liter chutney jar that is ideal for quickly preparing condiments and chutneys. Juicer jar. The Morphy Richards mixer grinder also comes with a large 1.7 liter juice jar. You can use this to conveniently extract fresh juice from fruits and vegetables at home. It also has a built-in feature that separates the juice from the pulp and the seeds. Proper control. The 3-speed control of this grinder allows you to choose the right speed for the ingredients you are blending or grinding. There is a pulse feature that gives you a short burst of power and can be used to get the right consistency when you are grinding. Stable and safe. This mixer grinder is equipped with several useful safety features. The no-slip feet at the base of the appliance provide stability during operation and minimize the risk of accidental slips. It is also equipped with overload protection, which automatically shuts off the motor in case of excessive load, preventing overheating and potential motor damage. So these were some of the best features of the Morphy Richards Icon Superb 750 mixer grinder that set it apart as an exciting option. We hope this information has been useful in your decision making.